Welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Today's episode is a little different because today I want to acknowledge and celebrate hitting 1,000 subscribers. I never really thought I'd get to 1,000 subscribers. I thought that was a long way away. So when I got it, guys, I am so appreciative for your support and for taking the time to hit the subscribe button and join me on this channel. So I don't have a huge budget, but I do have something that I want to give away, and I'm going to assume that a lot of you guys are not only HomeKit fans, but are probably pretty big Apple fans like myself. So I'm an Apple supporter. Call me a fanboy if you like. I don't really care, but I like their stuff. So what is it exactly that I'm giving away? Well, you might be able to figure it out. You've seen them in the videos, I'm sure, in the background. It fits in this box. So to find out exactly what it is, we'll go ahead and have a little bit of fun, go through unboxing, and stay tuned because later I will tell you how you can win this. So let's start with unboxing. So what exactly will one of you lucky viewers be winning? Well, if you look at the top of the box, it says it's Hasami porcelain in Japan. There is the model number HPW021, and it is a mug. It's white. So let's go ahead and open this up because this should really be simple. And hey, there's the packaging still there. It's the box, nothing else in there. And this is safely wrapped. And in it is this mug. And this is a great mug. It is, again, it's made in Japan, and it's Japanese porcelain. I really enjoy using it. As you can see, I always seem to have this gray one in the back. It's a good mug. I use it all the time. Even have extra in where I can store stuff in there, pencils, whatever. But it's cool, simple, nothing too complicated. It's a simple mug. You can hold hot or cold beverages in this, and I want you guys to be able to hold hot or cold beverages in this mug, or at least one of you guys. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you how to win this. So that's a look at our Apple mug, and they come in different colors. I got a gray one, which I use quite often. This is actually my mug that I use everywhere or for everything. And the white one, they also had a black one, but I didn't pick that one up. I thought I like these colors better. So I don't have a gray one to give away. Like I said, you will be getting, or one lucky person will be getting, this white Apple mug. And I wanted to give you guys something that might be difficult for you to buy on your own, because not everyone can visit the Apple campuses in Cupertino, either the new campus, the new Spaceship campus, or the one at One Infinite Loop. I'm sure you can pick up a HomePod anywhere, but where are you going to find one of these? So unless you make a trip out to Cupertino and visit Apple, it's going to be difficult to get. Plus, admittedly, I'm on a limited budget, but I want one of you guys to have this. I'm grateful again for each one of you, 1,000 subscribers. I'm appreciative that you join me on this channel and that you tune in when you do. So thank you again. I'm blessed to have 1,000 subscribers. I want to give you one of these. So how do you win this? So what you got to do is you have to be subscribers. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Hit that red subscribe button. And you need to leave a comment below. And this is key. Leave a comment below of what tasty hot or cold beverage you're going to put in this when you get it. And I'm going to let this go ahead and run for about a month, through the rest of the month, and then I'll pick a winner and I'll announce the winner in a future video. So go ahead, put a comment down there, subscribe, hit the video if you liked it, and maybe even tap the bell if you want to get notifications of when I upload new content. So once again, guys, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. So until next time, please be safe out there and take care of yourselves and everyone else.